Welcome! In this video, I'll be guiding you through the simple steps to enable autoplay animated emoji in the panel on the Telegram app for PC. This feature comes with the new update and makes your messaging experience more fun and interactive. So let's get started right away. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once the app is open, look to the top left corner of your screen and click on the 3 horizontal lines. This will open the main menu, where you'll find all the important settings and options. From here, scroll down a little and click on Settings. Now, inside the Settings menu, you'll see a list of different categories. What you want to look for is Battery and Animations. Go ahead and select that option. Next, you'll notice a section called Animated Emoji. This is where you control how emojis behave inside your chat and panel. Click on it, and you'll see an option that says Autoplay in Panel. By default, this option might not be checked, but in order to enjoy smooth, lively emoji animations without having to manually click them, make sure you check the box. After checking the autoplay option, don't forget to click Save to confirm your choice. This is important because if you don't save, the setting won't take effect. Once you save, the change is applied immediately. Now, whenever you open the emoji panel in your Telegram app, the animated emojis will automatically play, giving you a much more dynamic and expressive way to communicate. It's a small change, but it adds a fun and engaging touch to your chats. So, to quickly recap, open Telegram, click the 3 lines, go to Settings, choose Battery and Animations, select Animated Emoji, check Autoplay in Panel, and then click Save. That's it. Just a few quick steps, and your Telegram will feel more alive than ever. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to try it out right now and enjoy the new update. Thanks for watching.